Okay, so we got the fiddle on the work table. We're going to loosen the strings and take them off. Just go ahead and get that out of the way so that we can get this neck off of here and clean it up and reset it. It's been quite some time since I've done any kind of work like this on the fiddle, other than adjusting a bridge or stringing it up, or putting a new tailpiece or putting fine tuners on it. But my mentor, who taught me how to play fiddle, was also teaching me how to work on the fiddles and rebuild the fiddles and stuff. And I was rehiring bows frequently on my own, and then doing little things under his tutelage, reaming out the peg holes up here on the head, peg head up here, doing some of that. Varnishing and cleaning, helping take them apart, and assisting with some of the other stuff like setting the neck and different things of that nature, putting the clamps on, after gluing and that type of stuff. But Bob passed away before I could get a whole lot of time in on a lot of that stuff. The first thing I'm going to do is get this fingerboard off. Yeah, got her done. And make quick work of that one. Well, I forgot to turn the camera on, but anyway, I got the chin rest off. Alright, so we're going to take the top off. And we've got 1 corner block, 2 corner block, 3 corner block, 4 corner block. We've got a block here and a block here. Normally I would use a rubber mallet, and I've got a special tool. Tonight we're just going to use the knife, but I've actually got a special tool for this. It's kind of like a spatula or a sheetrock mud trowel, but smaller, cut down, where it's about twice as wide as a knife blade and doesn't have a sharp edge. But I don't have that with me, so we're going to just tap this in right here. Okay, I switched cameras because my phone camera ran out of storage, and I'm uploading all that footage to Dropbox now, but switch cameras so we could continue here. The sound quality is going to be different now. I don't really like the sound quality of this GoPro, but we'll work with that. So we'll continue here taking this top off. Just gently tap all the way around. And we'll go from this other side now. Start up here in the corner block. All right, we got her off. Okay, so I took the corner block where the neck seats. I took that off because it was gapped up really bad here. So I went ahead and took it off. We're going to re-glue that. I've got it clamped there just fitting it up right now, but we're going to take the clamps off. We'll glue that back up. We got to glue the ribs here back on. Get that glued up really good and set. Then we will put the top back on and set the neck and the fingerboard. And that will be in the next episode.